Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to forecast project completion dates in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. First off, you'll want to open the software and navigate to your project workspace. This is crucial as it's where all the magic happens. Your project workspace is essentially your project's command center where you can track and forecast progress. Next up, find the timeline view on your project board. The reason we do this is because the timeline gives you a visual representation of your project's schedule, so you can see at a glance when tasks are due and how they overlap. Now, to forecast your completion date, you need to start by adding all your project tasks and subtasks into the timeline. This helps us because it provides a clear overview of what needs to be done and when. Let me explain why this matters. Without a comprehensive list of tasks, it would be impossible to accurately predict when your project will be completed. Once your tasks are in, it's time to estimate the duration of each task. This is where Monday.com really shines. Just click on a task in the timeline, and you can easily adjust its duration. Now that we've done that, we're able to see exactly how long each part of the project should take. The final step is to look at the end date of your final task. This will be your project's forecasted completion date. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com automatically calculates this based on the durations of your tasks and their start dates. And there you have it. You've now successfully forecasted your project's completion date in Monday.com. No more guesswork, no more delays, just clear, reliable project forecasting. That's all for now. See you in the next video.